she cooked?
Does she cook?
She clicks a photo. Do I? She do? Do he? She?
Nice. What is the right one?
Everybody, my name is Sankalp Rajachandra. I am studying in 7th class.
Start.
He watches movie.
He watches movie. Good.
Does my birthday?
He celebrates my birthday. Good.
Does he celebrates my it?
Not does he celebrates. Oh.
Hello everybody. My good name is
Today is difficult. Tomorrow is more difficult. But the day after tomorrow is very beautiful. Most of the people die tomorrow evening. Hello my dear students. Welcome back again to Saudati Stadium. We are here to present our presentation. It's called public speaking. Now I'm introducing the activity name. First student will tell simple present tense, and the next one makes the same sentence into interrogative. Got it? And the third one student should frame interrogative with WH. When, where, why, what. Clear? Things are clear? Okay. Now, without wasting time, I would like to start this session. Start.
Hello everybody, my good name is Shashank. I am studying in 8th class. Hello everybody, my name is Akash Anand. I am studying in 8th class.
Yes.
Hello everybody, my name is Vaishnavi. I am studying in 6th class.
Yes. Start.
My name is Prem Kalingaur. I am studying in 8th standard.
Start.
He kicks a ball. Does he kick a ball?
Yes.
When does he kick a ball?
And does he kick up? Good.
He advises his friend. Does he advises?
Does he advises? What is the right one? Does he advise? Oh, next one.
Hello everybody, my name is Amrita Nagnur. I am studying in 5th class.
Amrita, come. Okay. Sometimes in the middle, to make you confused, I change the phrase. Start.
She speaks English.
She speaks English. Say loudly.
Does she speak English?
Good.
When does she speak English?
Very good.
I run on the ground.
I run on the ground.
Do I run on the ground?
Okay.
When do I run on the ground?
Very good. Then the place. Durga, come first. First. Start.
I walk on the ground.
I walk on the ground.
Do I walk on the ground?
Good.
When do I walk on the ground?
Very good. Only use third person. Only third person. She finishes.
finishes.
Oh, she finishes. What is the right one? She finishes. Okay, next one.
Hello everybody, my name is Samanvita Ankale. I am studying in 5th class.
Okay, start.
He runs.
Simple present, third person.
He runs on the ground.
He runs on the ground.
Does he run on a ground? When does he run on a ground?
Good to do. What? Start.
He plays cricket.
Yes.
Do he play cricket?
How? Does he play cricket?
Hello everybody, my good name is Satvik Ningappa Puja. I am studying 6th class.
Yes, very good. Start. She writes notes.
Does he write note?
Okay.
Why does he writes note?
Why does he writes note? Is it right? It's incorrect. What is the right one? Why does he write notes? Go.
My name is Advika Ramesthurti. I am studying in 6th
Very
class.
good. Start.
It builds house.
It builds house.
Does it build house?
Very good.
When does it build house?
Very good. Good going.
He checks notes.
She checks notes. Good.
Does she check note?
Good. Very
When
good.
does he check
Very
notes?
good. Sathi first. Come on, first. Speed start.
He celebrates my birthday.
He celebrates my birthday. Good.
Does he celebrates my
Not does he celebrates. Out.
Hello everybody. My good name is Prarthna Kumar Rajgundi. I am studying in 6th class.
Very good. Start.
She dances stage.
She dances on the stage.
Does she dance on the stage?
Good.
When does he dance on the stage?
Yes. Next. 1, 2, 3. Time out. Go.
Hello everybody, my name is Shashank Madhav Mishanor. I am studying in 7th standard.
Good.
She uses a mobile.
She uses mobile.
Does she use mobile?
Does she use mobile?
When does he use mobile?
Okay, when does he use mobile? Okay.
She advised my friend.
Out. What is the right one? She advises my friend. Take your seat.
Hello everybody, my good name is Shravani S. Patan Shetty. I am studying in 8th standard.
Stop. Only third person.
He marry him.
She. Hello everybody, my name is Samanvita Viresh Sogi. I am studying in 6th class.
Good. Start. Third person. Only third person.
She climbs tree.
Yes, she climbs.
Does she climb tree?
Yes.
When does he climb tree?
Good. Motion on second. Good. Third. Start.
He runs fast.
He runs fast.
Does he runs fast?
Ouch. Does he run fast? Next one.
Hello everybody, my name is Rujan Ningapasamka. I am studying in 6th class.
Good. Start.
She eats food.
She eats food. Out. Time out. Come.
Hello everybody, my name is Sankalp Koda Gudashi. I am studying in 8th standard.
Yes. Start.
She sends a message.
She sends a message. Good.
She sends a
Hello everybody, my good name is Abubakar Salim Nalban. I am studying in 8th class.
Good. Start.
She deletes photos.
She deletes photos. Good.
Does she delete photo?
Yes.
When does she delete photo?
Good. Next.
He goes to school.
He goes to school.
Does he go to school?
Yes. Very good. Very good.
When does she go to school?
Okay. One intimation. Already it has been given. The intimation is you should not use the some of the verbs. Some of the verbs are play, cook, sing, write, add, drink, act, add. These verb forms you should not use. Out. No.
Hello everybody, my name is Gianna Daf. I am studying in 6th class. She searches in ChatGPT.
Yes. She searches in ChatGPT. Good.
Does she search ChatGPT?
Yes.
When does she search ChatGPT?
She applies cream.
She applies cream. Next.
Does she apply cream?
Does she apply cream?
When does she apply cream?
Very good. Pratna, come front. First one. First place. Right.
He runs on the ground.
He runs on the ground. Good.
Does he run on ground? On
Yes.
the ground.
Yes.
Why does he runs?
Why does he runs not? Why does he run? Good.
She boils cake.
She boils cake.
Does she boil cake?
Yes.
When does she boil cake?
He walk on the road.
He walks on the road is the right one.
Hello everybody, my name is Hueria Murtuji. I am studying in 5th class.
Very good. Start.
I celebrate my birthday.
I celebrate my birthday. Tell loudly.
Do I celebrated my birthday?
Out. We are celebrated, not we are celebrate.
Hello everybody, my name is Mushahid Morankar. I am studying in 8th class.
She completes her homework.
She completes her homework.
Does she complete homework?
Out. Does she complete homework?
Hello everybody, my good name is Mohammad Saad Nalband. I am studying in 6th class.
He watching TV.
He watching
TV.
TV. Out. Go.
Hello everybody, my name is Sankalp Chandra. I am studying in 7th class.
Yes. Start.
He watches movie.
He watches movie. Good. Good.
Does he watch movie?
Yes.
When does he watch movie?
Yes.
He runs on a ground.
He runs on the ground.
Does he run on ground?
Yes.
When does he run on the ground?
Yes. Guru first. Sankalp last. Next.
I apologize as my mistake.
I apologizes my mistake. Okay, fine. Out. I apologize my mistake. You first person, no problem. First, second, third person. No, when I fix you, when I mandate you, use third person, then only you can. First person. Start.
Hello everybody, my name is Tanira Singh. I am studying 7th class.
Yes. First person.
I boil egg.
I boil egg.
Do I boil egg?
Okay.
When do I boil egg?
Yes. Boil egg.
He appreciated friend. I appreciated.
He appreciates. Very good. Clap.
Hello everybody, my name is Jaspal Singh Rajput. I am studying in 7th class.
Yes. Start.
I boil masala rice.
I boil masala. Okay.
Do I boil masala rice?
Yes.
When do I boil masala rice?
Okay.
I study mathematics.
I study mathematics.
Do I study mathematics?
When do I study mathematics?
Next.
I study English.
I study English.
Do I study English?
When do I study English?
Don't repeat. Study again.
I achieve friend.
I achieve friend.
Do I achieve friend?
When do I achieve friend?
Yes. Change the place. Change the place. Start.
Add sugar.
I add. This verb is totally banished from this competition. Go. Next one. Class.
Hello everybody, my name is Rakesh Umesh Shokar. I am studying in 7th class.
Yes. Start.
Boiled the egg.
Yes, I boiled egg.
Do I boil egg?
When do I boil egg?
Yes, very good. Yes, for front. Next.
I study English.
I study English. Study already use it. Don't use.
I afford my friend.
I afford my friend.
Do you afford my friend?
Yes, do I afford?
Do I afford my friend?
When do I afford my friend?
Yes,
I ban English.
I ban English.
Do I boil English?
Do I ban English?
When do I ban English?
I bake cold cake.
I bake
Cold
cake.
I bake in a cold.
Ouch. Do I bake cold cake? Okay, next.
Hello everybody, my name is Saniti Remat. I am studying in 7th class.
Yes, start.
I fry paneer roll.
I fry paneer roll.
Do I fry paneer roll?
When do I fry paneer roll?
Yes.
I fresh mango.
I fresh.
Mango.
Fresh is not a verb. Refresh is the verb. Ouch.
Hello everybody, my name is Ritvika Kamath. I am studying in 5th class.
Yes, start.
Closes door.
Ah.
Does she closes door?
Does she
Close.
close it?
Everybody, my name is Aradhya Nanjoli. I am studying in 5th class.
Yes. Sankalp will come front. First, you will last. Start.
I runs in the ground.
I run in the ground.
Hello everybody, my good name is Neha Ismagnur. I am studying in 7th class.
Yes, start.
I plant a tree.
I plant a tree.
Do I plant a tree?
Good.
Does she?
No. You use the WH. When does out? When does he plant a tree? Out. Next.
Hello everybody, my good name is Swati Ningappa Sampakam. I am studying in 8th class.
Very good. Start.
He walks every day.
He walks every day. Loudly.
Does he work every day?
Does he work every day? Does he walk every day? Okay? She didn't listen that one. What she told? He walks every day. Okay? She used it correctly. Got it? Okay. Does he walk every day?
When does she walk every day?
Even does she walk every day? Okay.
She submits her homework.
She submits her homework.
Does she submit her homework?
Yes, very good. Does she submit her homework?
When does she submit my homework?
Yes, Mayala, her.
Does he talk very well?
Very good.
When does talk every well?
Yes, come there.
He explains.
He explains
very well.
Does explain everyone.
Does he explain everyone?
When does he explain very well?
Yes, good.
It flies like an eagle.
It flies like an eagle.
Does he fly?
Tell lovely.
Does he fly like a?
Does he fly?
Does he
Good.
fly?
When does it fly?
Yes, when does it fly? Good. Don't use more big objects.
I ride a bike.
I ride a bike.
Do I ride a bike?
When do I ride a bike?
Good.
He drives a car.
He drives a car.
Does he drive a car?
Good.
When does he ride a car?
Yes, very good. Come first. Start.
I jump on the ground.
I jump on the ground.
Do jump on the ground?
Do I jump on the ground?
Do I jump on the ground?
When do I jump on the ground?
Yes.
I cut the cake.
I cut the cake.
Do I cut the cake?
Do I cut the cake?
Why do I cut a cake?
Yes.
I help my mother.
I help my mother.
Do I help my mother?
Do I help my mother?
How do I help my brother?
Yes. Take a place. Start.
I purchase a car.
I purchase a car.
Do I purchase a
Do I
car?
purchase a car?
When do I purchase a car?
Yes.
She cooks Maggie.
She cookies are there. Cook is banished. Okay. Start.
I purchase a
I purchase. I used it already.
I purchase a car.
Already used it. 1, 2.
I going
Out. Next.
Hello everybody, my name is Panna Irfan and I am studying in 9th standard.
Yes. Example.
He dances on the stage. He dances on the stage.
He dances on the stage. Out.
Hello everybody, my name is Aradhya Satish Pattanchetti.
Yes. Start. Examples.
I allow my brother.
I allow my brother.
Do I allow my brother?
Why do I allow my brother?
Yes. Come front. First. Go. Next.
I
I act in movie.
I act in movie. Act is also banished. Okay, act is also prohibited in this competition. Okay. Next.
Hello everybody, my name is Zafan Patan. I am studying in 8th class.
Yes, very good. Sneha, last. Start.
I delete verbs.
I delete verbs.
Do I delete verbs?
Do I delete verbs?
When do I delete verb?
Yes.
She clicks a photo.
She clicks a photo.
She clicks a photo.
Once again.
Do she
Yes. What is the right one? Does she click a photo? Out. Next. Multani.
Hello everybody, my name is Sadaf Yasin Multani. I am studying in 10th class.
I climb a steps.
I climb a step.
Do I climb a step?
Step. Do I climb a step?
Do I climb a step?
When do I climb a step?
Yes, good.
I drink water.
Oh,
Do I drink water?
When do I drink water?
yes.
I prepare notes.
I prepare notes.
Do I prepare notes?
When do I prepare notes?
I admire my friend.
I admire my friends.
Do I admire my friend?
When do I admire my friend?
Very good. Admire means appreciating somebody.
He appreciates somebody.
He appreciates somebody.
Does he appreciate somebody?
Very good.
When does he
Appreciate.
appreciate somebody?
Yes, very good. Good going. Class.
I visit palace.
I
Visit palace.
visit palace.
Do I visit palace?
When do I visit palace?
Very good.
I watch a mobile.
I watch a mobile.
Do I watch a mobile?
Yes,
When do I watch a mobile?
very good.
I tell a sentences.
I tell a sentence. I tell a
sentence.
sentence.
Do I tell a sentence?
Yes.
When do I tell a
Yes,
sentence?
very good. Multani, come. Yes, I'm telling places. Okay. Next.
I write a note.
I write a note.
Do I write a notes?
Do I write a note?
When do I write a note?
Yes, very good.
I read a verbs.
I read a verb.
Do I read a verb?
When do I
Read.
write a verb?
Read.
Read a verb?
Yes. Second place. Third place. Start.
I climb on tree.
I climb on tree.
Do I climb a tree?
Yes.
When do I climb on tree?
Yes.
I love my father.
Do I love my father?
Very good.
Why do I love my father?
Yes.
I like my brother.
Yes.
Do I like my brother?
Very good.
Why do I like my brother?
Very good.
I appreciate her.
Do I appreciate her?
Very good.
When do I appreciate her?
Yes. First place. Third person. Use third person. Third person. Not it? Third person.
He brushes every day.
He brushes every day. Good.
Does he brush every day?
Yes.
When does he brush it?
Every day. Okay. See, the biggest challenging is immediate when I tell change this subject means when student tell that example correctly means that is the biggest challenging one. So I was asking them only first person. I, we, they, like this. And immediately coming to third person, she dances, she goes of the difficult one.
He runs every day.
Does he run every day?
When does he run every day?
That's very good.
I walks every day.
Very good, well played. I walk every day. So, time out. Next.
Encourages the student.
She encourages the students.
Does she encourages the student?
Yes.
When does she encourage student?
It cares the patient.
It cares the patient.
Does it care the patient?
Does it care the patient? Cares.
When does it care patient?
Yes. When does it care patient? Very good.
appreciates his brother.
He appreciates.
He appreciates.
Does he appreciate his brother? When does he appreciate?
Sneha, come first.
She applies nail polish.
She applies nail polish.
Does she apply nail polish?
When does she apply nail polish?
Okay. Start. Shall we start? Okay.
I apologize my mistake.
Yes.
Do I apologize my mistake?
When do I apologize my mistake?
Yes.
She bans the road.
She bans the road.
Does she ban the road?
When does she bend the road?
Yes.
I allow him to go outside.
I allow him to go outside.
Do I allow him to go outside?
When do I allow him to go outside?
Yes.
She finishes her homework.
She finishes her homework.
Does she finishes his homework?
Does she finish her homework? Very good. Clap. Next, I would like to invite Bona Katral, one more leader. Introduction.
Hello everybody, my name is Buana Chidambar Katal. I am studying in 8th grade.
Yes. Start.
She bounces the ball.
Does she bounce a ball?
When does she bounce the ball?
She paints on the wall.
She paints on the wall.
Does she paint on wall?
When does she paint on wall?
Yes.
She allows me.
She allows me.
Does she allow me?
When does she allow me?
Yes, we go. Throw first. All third person. All third person. Go. All third person you must use. Got it? Athara.
Does he drink a milk?
Yes.
When does he drink a milk?
She absorbs the cricket.
She absorbs the crickets.
Does. Does. Out. You should use that. Yes. Next. Kirtana. Introduction.
Hello everybody, my good name is Kirtana Raju Madle. I am studying in 8th class.
Yes. Start. Come on. Come on. Start.
He apologizes his mistake.
Does he apologize his mistake?
When does he apologize his mistake?
Yes.
He appreciates his brother.
Does he appreciate his brother?
Does he appreciates? Okay. Does he appreciate is the right one? Go. Next. Last remaining two. Again same competitors as we had in the last competition. Fine. Very good. Very good. Simple present and interrogative. Simple present. No WH. Simple present. She will tell. You tell. Interrogative. Do does. WH later. Start. Ready? Who will win? Who will win? Who will win? Who will win now? Vote for? Let's see. It is competition. We cannot do anything. Anything can happen. Fine. Stop.
He completes work.
He completes work.
Does he complete work?
Does he complete work?
She applies mehendi.
She applies mehendi.
Does she apply mehendi?
Yes.
She applies cream.
She applies cream.
Does she apply cream?
Yes.
She dances on the stage.
She dances on the stage.
Does she dance on a stage?
Yes.
She runs on the ground.
Does she run on the ground?
Change the place. Change the place. Start.
She apologizes her mistakes.
Yes.
Does she apologize her mistake?
Yes.
She checks the message.
Does she check the message?
Okay. Now interrogative. Now WH interrogative. Got it? Now WH interrogative. Simple present. WH interrogative. Got it? Start.
I apologize my mistake.
When do I apologize my mistake?
She blesses me.
She blesses me.
When does she bless me?
Shravani.
He blinks
Now onwards, if you use first person, you are out. Only third person. Only third person. Both. Got it? Start.
He finishes his homework.
When does he finish his homework?
Yes.
She applies mehendi.
Yes.
When does she apply mehendi?
She apologizes her mistake.
Yes.
When does she
Very
apologize her
good.
mistake?
Good going. Claps.
It bans smoking.
It bans smoking.
When does it ban smoking?
Yes.
It finishes its homework.
It's finished homework.
When does it finish its homework?
Very good.
It applies nail polish.
It applies nail polish.
When does it apply nail polish?
He bounces the ball.
When does he bounce the ball?
Change the place.
She watches TV.
When does she watch TV?
She watches mobile.
Come on, fast,
When
fast.
does she watch mobile?
Come on, fast.
She plants a tree.
Fast,
When
fast.
does she plant a tree?
Very good.
She runs on the ground.
Very good.
When,
Claps.
when does
Claps. Keep motivating. Keep motivating. Start.
He speaks English.
Yeah.
What's it?
He speaks English.
When does he speak English?
Yes. Come on, come on, come on.
She talks Kannada.
When does he talk
Yes.
English?
Claps, claps. Oh, very good.
She laughs.
She laughs. She laughs.
laughs.
When does she laugh?
Yes, very good.
She cries.
Come on, come on.
When does she cry?
Come on,
She climbs.
come on.
When does she climb?
Come on.
She runs.
Yes, very good, very good.
When does she run?
Fast, fast,
She brushes.
fast.
When does she brush?
He wears uniform.
When does she wear uniform?
Yes.
She danced.
She danced.
Did she dance?
She cooked.
Does she cook?
Out.